Hey, it's Stu. How you doing? I'm going to show you how to make probably the simplest thing you can do at Stu Leonard's. You buy a thing of pizza dough, right? We make it fresh right in our bakery from scratch, okay? I rolled it out right here. I like it thin, okay? I'm a thin crust guy. Some people like a thicker crust. I just got some of our Stu's Marinara. We get this from Italy right here. And to me, it's thick enough that it makes a great sauce. And look at that, it's got some oregano in it, it's got olive oil. We call it Simply Stews because that's about all that's in it. I could go with extra sauce. Sometimes you want to be careful about too much sauce. Now I have some of our fresh mozzarella at the store. Sliced it up. Actually, my daughter changed sliced it up. I'm putting the whole thing on there. Now, you know, one other thing, I'm going to put it in the oven hot, hot, hot. You know, I go down to Brooklyn. I love checking pizza out. I was over in Naples, Italy, visiting our wine suppliers. I went to Naples. I tasted pizza all over. Love pizza. Our family loved pizza. The one thing you find, everybody who cooks a great pizza, hot, hot oven. So come on over and check this out. I got this up at 550 degrees. I got a stone in there that's red hot right now, okay? So I got mine. There you go, check that out. This will probably be under 10 minutes. Okay guys, it's been in there about 8-10 minutes right now. And I'm just checking the cheese and everything out. And it's looking pretty good right there. I probably put a little extra sauce on there. But look at how beautiful. Wow. I'm gonna take and give that. Look at that crust though, is that delicious? I'm gonna put there's some basil to dress it up a little bit like that, okay? And I'm just gonna sprinkle. That gives it a nice, great, fresh feeling. And of course, kids are not gonna like this. I got crushed red pepper, only do half of it, okay? I love crushed red pepper. Now, here we go. Let's take a look at this guy right here. Okay, look at that. Woo! How do you like that one? Mmm. Nice crispy crust. Yum. That cheese is just oozing off of there. But look at that crust right there. Check this out. Look at that. Is that ooey-gooey? Look at, Okay. That's a fresh mozzarella we make at Stu Leonard's. Okay. That is a really good pizza. If you're buying that pizza at Stu Leonard's, check out the Rayo sauce too. They're one of the first companies to ever sell this, okay? Great family right there. Frankie, you know, we love you. And it's a really good sauce and one of our best sellers. Okay guys, all done. That was like 10 minutes. And you know what, this pizza's, I don't think it costs more than $5 or $6. You know, if you add it up, we didn't even use all the marinara, we used just some basil and a thing of pizza dough, and that's it. Great, family love it, and I love it too. Did I like the pizza or not? One thing I forgot to mention, you gotta have a great wine. We got a Chablis with this one. So, mwah, it was delicious, I approve. Thanks for watching and hit the subscribe button below.